Hey, I'm Caleb with Maine's Woodshop, and today we're gonna make this pumpkin decoration. Is it a fall decoration, or is it a Halloween decoration? Let's check it out. Hey, I'm Caleb with Maine's Woodshop. Aromatic red cedar, very fancy bedroom stand. Dead burn eye protection. I'm going to start this project with this scrap piece of padauk, and I'm going to draw out my design. First I'm going to just kind of go with the basic shape, and then I'll kind of rough it out. Now we cut this shape out on the bandsaw. Is the lines I drew for the segmented part of the pumpkin. I'm gonna cut along those lines too. So work on the bandsaw is not done. I've got a 1/4 inch round over bit in here, and I'm gonna round over all my pumpkin pieces now that they're sanded, and I'm only gonna do the front, not the back. And it's freaking raining now. Hardcore. But look, this is why I rounded over all the edges, so when it comes together, final form, it has that definition to it. I'm gonna try to keep the glue as low as possible. Okay, I took this piece of walnut and I made a stem for it. I'm going to use this thin strip to make a face for a jack-o'-lantern. I'm going to put in a little rare earth magnet, and these magnets are really strong. The hole doesn't have to be very deep to accept the magnet. And I'll do that on all of them. And what I want to do is I really want to make sure that I get the magnets in there right, so that when they attach, it'll be the correct side. Just going to use this old awl to help push it down in there. It works. I'm gonna hand route out a little dish that maybe you could put like the pieces for the pumpkin in there or something. I'm using this hand router that was sent to me by my viewer Todd Breeze. He's been watching this channel for a long time. He's one of my #1 fans. Todd, thanks a lot for this hand router, bud. Pre-drilled and countersunk some holes, and that is how I'm going to attach the top. I'm going to finish all of the pieces with Danish oil. I think that'll look nice. Look, and that was from a pallet too. So this was a really fun project, and I had a lot of fun making this. And I think the magnets are really cool, and you could take that idea and shift it to other holidays too, like you can make a snowman. You like this project and this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe to Maine's Woodshop. I have new woodworking projects every single Friday. Click the notification bell so you do not miss a video. Thanks for watching.